Hello and welcome to Mastering Cisco CUCM. My name is Fernando and I'll be your guide as we dive into the world of Cisco Unified Communications Manager, or CUCM for short. Who is this course for? Whether you're brand new to CUCM, studying for a Cisco certification, or working in IT and want to understand voice infrastructure, this course is for you. We'll walk through the concepts, the hands-on configurations, and real-world examples you can use on the job. By the end of this course, you'll be able to install, configure, and manage a CUCM environment from the ground up, and speak confidently about call flow, device pools, and voice gateways. This course is broken into sections, starting with lab setup, then moving into core concepts, call routing, and advanced features. I've designed the videos to be beginner-friendly, but packed with real-world scenarios you can apply what you learn right away. I'll be using a virtual lab environment to demo everything. You can follow along by setting up your own CUCM instance, and don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do that in the next section. If you're ready to gain real Cisco UC skills, then let's jump in. I'll see you in the next video where we'll set up your test environment and get you started with your own CUCM lab.